meaning what? The heart will stop beating now. Yeah, lastly, the letter C. No, the letter C. Compress. How you compress? Later we'll show you. Okay, this is the acronym for CPR. One-man CPR. Okay, first the letter D. Check for danger. Okay, look around. Is there any danger? No danger. Then you kneel down nearest to the casualty. Okay. You check for what? Letter R? Respond. Check for response. Okay. Okay. At least 3 times. Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay? No response. What you do? What you do? No response.
Call.
Okay. If you are alone, make that call. If there's so many people here, tell them to ask them lah. Okay. Okay. This is how you shout.
You get it ED.
Remember, just these two. Call 995 for ambulance. You must specify. Don't just call 995. Later, the operator will send the whole station down. Send pumper and everything down. Because you don't specify. Let's say you call 995 for ambulance will come very fast. Okay, now, okay. Then get AED. Now AED is a lot. Everywhere you can find. Okay, now, for the letter S. Now letter A. Look carefully, this is a little bit. You have to tilt the head, okay, lift the chin, look inside the mouth, okay. If you see anything blocked, then you dig out. Okay, let's say you see nothing, continue the next letter. Letter what? B. Okay, check the breathing. This is how you check the breathing. Okay, put your ear here, around the nose or mouth, okay, of the casualty. Look at the chest for any movement. Okay, then after that, confirm. No breathing, what you do? Then you start the compression. Look here, how you put the heel of your palm. Show them the heel. Okay, the heel of your palm. You don't put flat like that. The heel, you tilt a bit. Is the heel that is very useful. Where do you put? You see how you locate where to put the heel of the palm. You start using your ring fingers. You trace the outline of the rib cage here. Then you read a notch here. There's a solar plexus here. Stop. 2 fingers above the ring finger just now. Okay. So then you put the heel of your palm above that 2 fingers. Okay, now? Clear? Because this one you have to be, you have to put in a correct position or location. Otherwise what? You can break the here. Okay, if let's say you pump so hard, you hear a cracking sound. Do you stop or not? No, right, you continue. It's always life over limb. Remember? After all, it's not your bone. Or sometimes you make a mistake. Okay, you make a mistake. Instead of putting here, you put here, short break. So just say sorry, put it back. But remember, cracking sound don't ever stop. Continue. Okay. Look, the timing will be something like this. Okay. Once you're done, straighten your elbow. Look, straighten your elbow. Your knee raise up, lean slightly forward. Okay, then your head must cross over the casualty victim. You use your body weight. Don't use your wrist power or your arm power. Use your body weight. Okay, the timing will be like this. Okay, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 50, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 20, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 25, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 30. What you do after 30? Auto ventilation. Okay, for this case, just blow by the side, but you have to tilt the head. Pinch the nose. That means the nose you must pinch. Close. Then your mouth must cover the casualty mouth fully. But for this demo, just blow by the side. But still you have to take the head and pinch the nose. Okay, blow 2 times. Okay, every one blow must be lasting for 1 second. Then go up another 1 second, down another second. Then between the nose and the back to the chest is about 2 seconds. Don't delay. Okay. Okay. Now back. Okay. Let's say this is the last or cycle number 5. We have to do 5 cycles. Okay. Ready? Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 50. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 20. 2 and 3 and 4 and 25. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 30. Okay, remember this cycle number 5. So what you do after cycle number 5?
Blue.
No, after the blue, complete the cycle. What you do? Check for the breathing. Okay, remember? Okay, let's say you check. There's no breathing. What you do? Continue CPR until you yourself collapse. So remember, must continue. Okay, now listen. What happens if there's breathing? Let's say you check for breathing. What you do?
Stop.
Pull him into a recovery position. This is how you do it. Okay, pull towards you. The hand must stretch out. The face how the face be on the upper arm. Cannot like that. Then you pull one leg up okay, to rest, recovery position. Remember, if there's no breathing, you must continue. Don't ever stop until the arrival of the medic. Or someone here just say he's a doctor. Then he can check the pulse. No pulse, I mean he can pronounce. The guy
Died.
We cannot. Cannot. So any question you like to ask? Okay, now before we start, there's a certain concept. Okay, in Singapore we try to simplify. Meaning what? You don't have to do the two breathing. Just pump.
Yes.
Just pump. Because in Singapore, head can come very fast. Within 8 minutes. That is our response time. You can just pump in Singapore. But this one is
Magnet na. Video na lang. Caregiver ka naman eh.
can out the video.
Tapos din ako niyan, pero ayaw ko niya
Just
ako
out the video.
Thank you so much.
Basic lang.
For rectifying the sound issue. There is, you can see that.
Okay, look here. Okay, you see someone in front of you, right? Collapse, right? First thing, what you must do? No, check for danger. The letter D, check for danger. Look around, there's any danger. If the guy lying on the center of road, do you rush? No, right? Remember, please check for the danger. If you are well protected, there's no danger to you, then you do lah. Otherwise, don't do. You cannot do. So please check for any danger. Once clear, let's say the hazard can be clear. You clear already, Okay. Second, what you do? Go down, both knee on the ground, check the response. Tap on the both shoulder. Tap,
Ang lakas naman. Galit.
Okay, assuming there's no response. No response, there's a lot of people in front of you. What do you do? Shout. Okay, what? Wait. What are the items you shout for? There's two, right?
Yes.
One what? Okay, call 995 for ambulance, CAT, and AED. Okay, after letters S, shout, what you do?
Andun pa
Check the airway. Head tilt, chin lift. You have to tilt the head. That means you have to lift up. Tilt the head. Must tilt the head. Then lift the chin using your thumb. Okay, look inside. Okay, let's say there's something. What you do? Take it out. Okay, now clear. What you do next? Check for the breathing. Okay, how you check the breathing? Your ear. At the nose mouth area. Listen. Then where do you look? Look at the chest. This one is very critical. Spend about 10 seconds. Make sure you must verify there's no breathing. Only there's no absence of breathing, then you do CPR. So let's say confirm, no breathing. Where you put the heel of your palm? Okay, for those mannequin below, there's an indication. There's a marking. Okay, just put inside the marking there. Okay, your heel of palm. Okay, straighten your elbow. Your knee raise up, lean forward. You must lean forward. That means your head must cross the casualty body. Okay, for the front row mannequin, he will give you a clicking sound. Just press.
Di.
Sound, no? Just press.
Janice.
The one at the front row.
Janice.
Don't get that clicking sound.
Yung kamay niya.
Okay, press for clicking, Okay, for those front mannequin, you must get that clicking sound. The one top, you press how hard no clicking sound. But it's not good. The one below, Okay, check whether got clicking sound. Then we can start.
Press too hard.
Namatay yung mga
The
kasunod.
mannequin spoiled.
Patay na, Jo.
Okay, for those people who get the clicking sound, you just stop. Later you want 10 minutes, I give you 10 minutes. Whether you can run the 10 minutes or not. You want 15 minutes, I give you. No problem. The top one, just put your hand there. You come together. Okay, ready, Okay, what you do? Give the cuckoo. Quick. Pinch the nose, hit the head. Hit the head, hit the cuckoo. Okay, hands back on the chest. Hands back. Complete. Okay, let's say this is cycle number 5. Cycle number 5, Okay, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 50. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 50. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 25. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 30. What do you do after 30?
No ventilation.
Remember, this is cycle number 5,
Low.
Okay, after giving the blow, what you do? Check for the breathing. Check now, quick. Spend about at least 10 seconds. Please, don't hurry. You must ascertain. You must verify.
Look at the chest.
Then you decide. Okay?
Look at the chest. There's a big...
Okay, now, got any breathing now? Yes or no? Yes, now, you want to stop, but... Okay, now thank you very much. Later you gather here. All stand up. Just take your souvenir from us.
Turn to your right and take your souvenirs. Over here. Yes.
Kami pa. Second batch. Wala na.
Just come forward and take your souvenirs off. Voluntary. Thank you so much.
Only those who done, those you also follow the queue. No,
Dito na ako sa sarili ko. Kami na po. Ano yan? Kanino yan? Sa kaya ano?
4 and 5, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10. Don't speed up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 15, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 20, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Slowly 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 30, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10. Slowly 2 and 3 and 4. 15, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 20, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 25, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 30, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 15, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 20, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 25, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 30, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10. Slowly 2 and 3 and 4 and 15, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 20, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 25, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 30, 1 last minute, don't stop really, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 15, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 20, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 25, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 30, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 15. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 21 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 25. 1 and 2 and 3
Almost.
and 4.
Continue.
31 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 15. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 21 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 25. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 31 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 15. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 21 and stop. Very good.
Okay, good.